Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Circle of Life trophy in Assassin's Creed Origins. This bronze trophy challenges you to feed a predator with a human corpse. It sounds simple, but it can be a bit tricky due to animal behavior. We'll cover the best locations, how to prepare, and crucial tips to ensure your success in earning this unique achievement. To begin, you'll need to find a suitable predator. Crocodiles are frequently recommended due to their predictable behavior. A prime spot is the Ill Hut's fast travel point in the Heraclean Nome territory, where crocodiles are abundant. Alternatively, the Siwa Oasis, specifically a bandit camp in the extreme northwest, has leopards near a watering hole. Hyena lairs, found east of Siwa, also offer good opportunities for this task. Once you've chosen your predator and location, the next step is the drop-off. Kill any non-hostile or enemy NPC to create a corpse. Pick up the body and carry it to your predator. It is crucial that you drop the corpse on land, as it often does not work in water. After placing the body, quickly move away from the predator to break combat. This allows the animal to focus on the corpse and begin feeding, triggering the trophy. Sometimes this trophy can be a bit finicky, but don't worry. A helpful trick is to use sleep darts on the predator first. This allows you to safely place the corpse directly in front of it. If the predator attacks you, simply run a short distance and hide until you are out of combat. The animal AI can be unpredictable, so patience is key. You might need to attempt this 2 or 3 times for it to successfully register.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.